Hello and welcome back to Mind the Gap, the podcast that helps you understand the UK just a little bit better.
And I'm Casey. Hello, everyone. So, Jen, I have to ask you something I've been wondering about. I was waiting for a bus this morning, and a complete stranger turned to me and said, "Ooh, a bit chilly today, isn't it?"
The classic opening. And how did you reply?
I just said, "Yes, it is," and we both sort of nodded. Why? Why are British people so obsessed with talking about the weather?
That is an excellent question, Casey. And the simple answer is it's not really about the weather at all.
It's not? But he was talking about the temperature.
Yes, but what he was really doing was starting a conversation. In Britain, talking about the weather is the ultimate icebreaker. It's a safe, neutral topic you can discuss with anyone, anywhere. A stranger at the bus stop, a colleague in the lift, your neighbour over the garden fence.
So it's a social code. A way to say, I'm friendly and I want to connect with you for a moment?
Precisely. It's a way to break an awkward silence. We are, by nature, a little reserved. We don't just walk up to strangers and ask them personal questions, but we can all agree on the weather. It's our common ground.
I see. So, what are the essential phrases? What's in the starter pack for talking about British weather?
Right, the starter pack. Number 1 is what you heard this morning. A bit chilly, isn't it? The isn't it part is key. It's a tag question. It invites the other person to agree with you.
So it's not really a question, it's an invitation to agree.
Exactly. Another classic is lovely day for it.
For what exactly?
For anything. If you're at a park, it's a lovely day for a walk. If you're at the seaside, it's a lovely day for an ice cream. It's wonderfully vague. And on the flip side, if the weather is just okay, not terrible, you'll hear the classic British optimism. Well, at least it's not raining.
I think I've heard that one. It's like we're always expecting rain.
We are, which brings us to the more advanced expressive phrases, especially for rain. We have hundreds of ways to talk about rain.
Okay, hit me with some. What if it's raining really, really heavily?
You'd say, it's chucking it down out there.
Chucking it down? Like you're throwing something?
Exactly, like someone is throwing buckets of water from the sky. You might also hear it's bucketing down or it's tipping it down.
Wow, so many ways to say it's raining. What about other weather? What if it's a rare, beautiful, hot, sunny day?
A national event. On a day like that, you'll hear people say, it's a scorcher. That means it's exceptionally hot. Everyone will be in a fantastic mood. The parks will be full. It's a big deal.
A scorcher. I like that. It sounds exciting. What about wind?
For wind, we often use a bit of classic British understatement. We'd say, it's a bit blowy out there, even if the wind is strong enough to blow your hat off.
A bit blowy. I love the understatement. Okay, so I think it's time for a quick recap of our key vocabulary.
Great idea. What was the first one we mentioned, Casey?
It was chilly. Chilly. And it means a little bit cold. You'd say, it's a bit chilly this evening.
Perfect. Okay, your turn. How about chucking it down?
That's my new favorite. Chucking it down means it's raining very heavily. Don't forget your umbrella, it's chucking it down.
Excellent. And one more for a beautiful day?
A scorcher. Scorcher. A very, very hot and sunny day. I can't believe it's 28 degrees in London. It's a proper scorcher.
You've got it. So you see, it's a whole language within a language. The next time a stranger talks to you about the weather, you'll know they're probably just being friendly.
I will. I'll be ready with a lovely day for it. Or maybe even a bit blowy, isn't it? It really is more than just small talk.
It's the glue that holds our society together, and a good excuse to stay inside and have a nice cup of tea.
I can definitely agree with that. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for listening to Mind the Gap.
Join us next time for another look into British life. Cheerio!
Bye!